DJI Mini 5 Pro, everything you need to know before buying gear you into drones and waiting for the next exciting release. Then you'll want to hear about what's rumored to be DJI's most impressive compact drone yet. The Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a serious contender in the world of lightweight drones, and it might just be the best option for travelers, filmmakers, and enthusiasts alike. Let's break down what's been leaked about its features, how it compares to previous models, the expected price range, and who this drone is best suited for. Release timing and buzzcurrent leaks suggest that DJI is aiming to launch the Mini 5 Pro toward the end of the year, likely around December. While that's a bit later than some of their earlier product drops, it's probably because they're fine-tuning this model to be a standout release. Given the success of the Mini line, it's no surprise this one is highly anticipated lightweight size paired with pro-level features. Yes, please. Big boost in camera performance. The camera on this new drone is rumored to be a major leap forward. Expect 4K resolution at a smooth 60 frames per second, up from the previous models to 0.7K at 30 FPS. That means clearer, more cinematic footage and slow-motion shots that actually look professional. It's also said to offer better low-light performance, making it ideal for capturing sunrise, sunset, and twilight moments with less grain and more detail. Improved flight time. Battery life also gets a bump. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to stay in the air for up to 35 minutes per charge, which is about 5 minutes longer than the last version. It might not seem like a lot, but those extra minutes can be the difference between getting the shot or not, especially when flying in remote areas or capturing complex scenes. Smarter safety features. One of the standout upgrades is improved obstacle detection. The drone is expected to include sensors not just in the front and bottom, but also in the rear and possibly even upward facing. This means safer navigation through tight spots, more confident flying for beginners, and the ability to unlock more advanced automated flight paths for creative shots. Real-world flight reliability reports suggest DJI is putting a lot of effort into flight stability and signal strength. The Mini 5 Pro should handle wind better, stay locked to GPS signals more reliably, and offer a smarter return-to-home system. That adds up to fewer interruptions and a more seamless flying experience, even in less than ideal conditions. Strengths and weaknesses. Let's break down what makes this drone appealing and where it might fall short. Upsides: shoots crisp 4K 60 video, ideal for content creators. Longer flight duration gives you more flexibility. Advanced obstacle sensing for added peace of mind. Remains under 250 grams, keeping it ultra portable and regulation free. Potential downsides: price may be higher than earlier Mini models, might lack some of the higher-end imaging capabilities found in DJI's larger drones like the Air. Still, for most users, this model offers a near-perfect balance of portability, performance, and price. How it measures up compared to older Minis like the Mini 2 or Mini Say, this drone is a massive step forward. It's like going from a basic point-and-shoot to a high-end DSLR. Even if you're coming from the Mini 4, the improvements in camera quality and battery life are hard to ignore. While it won't quite outmatch DJI's larger drones on raw specs, it gets surprisingly close and in a much more compact form. Who it's best for: this drone is ideal for travel vloggers, amateur filmmakers, and tech lovers who want pro-level performance without the bulk. It's easy enough for new pilots to use but offers enough advanced features to grow into. However, if you're a professional filmmaker needing the absolute best in image quality and advanced flight modes, something like the Air 2S might still be a better choice. Bonus features that could seal the deal: there are whispers of a redesigned controller with a better signal range, new smart flight modes like Waypoint and Follow Me, and improved photo capabilities such as HDR stills and panoramic shooting. If these extras make the final cut, this drone could be even more appealing to creative users. Expected price: single signs point to a price tag between $699 and $799, depending on the bundle and accessories. It's a bit more expensive than the Mini 2 or Mini Say, but still a lot cheaper than full-size drones, especially considering the improved specs and features. Final thoughts: if the leaks are accurate, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could redefine what's possible in an ultra-portable drone. It offers meaningful upgrades in video quality, flight time, obstacle sensing, and user experience, all in a compact design that's easy to take anywhere. Whether you're an experienced pilot or just starting out, this drone looks like a solid investment in creativity and convenience.